Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I have two topics to cover, and that is the cop that allegedly killed his wife, and I'm not going to use allegedly. He killed his wife, and then the political commentator Martin Henry, who died yesterday. So let's get right into the story, into the nitty-gritty. It says police investigators are to question one of their own who allegedly killed his estranged wife at their house located at Jamaica Beach in Tower Island, St. Mary on Tuesday morning. The deceased woman has been identified as 45-year-old Jeanette Hardy Lawrence, otherwise called Diane. There have been conflicting reports surrounding the couple's troubled marriage, with some relatives of the deceased woman claiming that her husband was jealous. However, persons close to the policeman have alleged that he made several complaints at the police station about Hardy Lawrence's behavior towards him. Interestingly, the detective corporal detailed his alleged troubles in a voice note to his colleagues, where he also confessed to have killing her moments prior. The voice note has since gone viral on social media. In the 26-second voice note, the cop stated, "Me love the whole of una, you know. This is the last time una go hear my voice. My wife a torment my life. Constable Gordon can't tell you. Torment my life. Me got station last night and report it, and from morning me a call back Corporal Johnson to come talk to the woman. The woman lick off me door for money, and I torment my life. And this morning me have to kill her." The corporal assigned to the Trelawney Police Station Division continued, "Me sorry, but I saw it go. Me not stay if you face the judgment, so me love all of una. So it go, one love."
Oh, this is the last time I hear my voice. Wife, I told me I torment my life. I'm can't can't tell me. Torment my life. I got station last night report. Boys can come from money, I come back Corporal Johnson. Come back and talk to you man lick off the door to money. I torment my life. And this morning I have to kill her. Sorry, but I say go. Me not can't see your face judgment. So I love you all now.
He was found by his fellow lawmen at the entrance of the house, while his wife was found near the garage suffering from gunshot wounds. Reports are that about 6:30 a.m. the couple was arguing at the house when residents heard loud explosions and alerted the police. Sources say that Hardy Lawrence, who owned a clothing store in St. Anne's Bay, St. Anne, had separated from her husband, but both remained at the house where they occupied different sections. As far as I know, they were separated, but because they both had ownership for the house, they remained, one resident said of the Tower Island. Hardy Lawrence was described as being generally kind, honest, and hardworking by the residents. The businesswoman came to national prominence after media detailed her search for her eldest son, who disappeared in 2002. She had not located him up to the time of her tragic death. So one thing I want to know is, why were they living in the same place? I know that they said that they own the property, but if you're so unhappy in a situation and you feel like your wife is tormenting you to a place where you feel like you have to kill her, why would you stay in the same house as her? I don't understand that part. Can't you afford to get a place by yourself? And why was this woman tormenting you this particular day so much for money? Why didn't you say what was the money for that she was tormenting you for? I'm guessing it was for bills, because they still occupy the house, so they probably went half and half on the bills, and he refused to pay his half this month, and it caused a whole hot argument. And she did deserve her to get killed like this, and I don't care what anybody say. And the woman in this voice note, which I'm going to play now,
time and him have restraining order against her, and she keep going back to the house through the man where she did the way left her, and she want back the policeman, and she keep going there, go mash up in things and harass him, and she beg for it. Me no sorry for her, me sorry for him, because him never strong enough to walk away and not use his gun.
this lady in this voice note saying that how she don't feel sorry for her and all these things. Like, me want know who push you out, I must dog, because I can't human being. How don't you feel sorry for somebody that life was taken? in such a brutal way, such a tragic way at that. Women, it's easy for other women to disrespect women, but when it comes to men, they will sit there and stick up for men all day, but they can't even support another fellow woman. Like, that's sick to mock. Also, why they're going to question him, because clearly he sent these voice notes to other people in the force confessing his crimes. He should be locked up right now. Why are they talking about they're going to question him like there's any doubt that he was the one responsible for killing her? There's no doubt in their mind, and he should be in jail, not to be questioned, in jail. He murdered somebody, and I don't care how many reports he made. He should have never been in that house in the first place if he felt so unhappy with his wife and they wanted to separate. Separating is when you and your wife are still legally married on paper, but you guys live in separate houses. So I don't know what type of separation they were doing. Obviously it did not work, and condolence goes out to the lady's family that lost her life. Anyways, let's get into the next topic, and it's going to be about Martin Henry. Noted educator and political commentator Martin Henry has died. Henry reportedly collapsed Tuesday evening, moments after leaving Television Jamaica studios, where he commented on the passing of Prime Minister Edward Seaga. Passing during the television station primetime news segment. He was rushed to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. Henry, 61, was a long-serving columnist for the Gleaner newspaper. Tributes to Henry have been pouring in on social media, including from the Prime Minister Andrew Holness. Holness sent condolences to the family and friends and colleagues of Martin, who said has made a significant contribution to our education system, as well as being a strong advocate of transparency and good governance. So condolence goes out to everybody that knew Martin Henry and his family and friends. It's so sad that we have lost two persons so close together, Edward Seaga and also Martin Henry, that have done so much good for Jamaica and Jamaican people and our political scenery. They've done a world of good for Jamaica. So condolence goes out to everybody that knew him. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Remember to always take care of yourself. Make sure you get your regular checkups. I know Jamaican men especially don't like to go to doctors, but y'all need to go to a doctor and make sure your health is up to par. Okay? Health is wealth, and I can't emphasize that much more. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.